How to rename photos on any Android? Open the Photos application on your Android device and you have to select the photo that you want to rename. Then after that, tap on the More button of the three dotted line at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now on this menu box you need to select on Rename option and you have to delete this name and enter new name. You can add anyone as you like to and tap on Save button. When you again tap on More button and see the details, as you can see on the name, we have already renamed this photo on Android. Similarly, you can easily rename other photos as well on any Android devices following the same step. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.